Got a fish on here. It's got me in the brush right now. Trying to get him. There he came out. Try to get over and run the line. Good fish. Sure he's wore out. Not. Oh yeah. Let's set him down there. Guys, I'm Jeff Faulkenberry with G3 Boats, Ozark Rods. Hey, what we're doing today is it's like the 10th or 11th of February, somewhere close to Valentine's Day, that's all I know. It's got up to about 40 today. Got out here for a couple hours. Water temperature is about 35. We're in 6 feet of water fishing a big mud flat. Well, the warmer water is kind of out here a little shallower, so there's some shad up in here, and these blue cats are following. Fishing a real simple rig, 2-ounce bank sinker and a hook. Really, really easy. Been here probably, I don't know, a couple hours. Caught 15 plus fish, 15, 18, somewhere in there. Very, very simple. It's a great time to be out fishing. You know, mid-February, all the way through March, even in the spring. Our lake level is just about normal here, so we're just over about almost 2 feet high, but getting close to that normal point. We've had high water all through the fall, but everything's getting back down to normal, and these fish are starting to turn on. Get a look at this guy. Get a hold of him. Kind of feisty. But fish like this are not uncommon at all. You catch a lot of fish like this. This one's probably going to be in the slot here on Truman. We're going to turn it back. Not keeping any fish today anyway, but keep that in mind. Don't be scared to fish shallow even when the water's cold. It's a good way to catch them. Real simple, easy fishing.